friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learners Combat.
Today we'll discuss about seat arrangement. Here you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Now we'll take first line. First line contains 1, 8, 9, 16, 17, 24 and so on. And the second line similarly to 7, 10, 15 and so on. And third line and fourth line. And now we'll make a program by separating this. We'll make every line into 3 different parts, that is 3 sequences. And now the first line contains only 1, and now we'll see the function f seat of n is the seat number. And now if n equal to 1, then it belongs to f1, that is first line. Or now we'll see f2, that is 8, 16, 24, sorry here 25 is not there, and 24, 32, 40, 48. And now that is n ampersand 8 will be equal to 0 for the, because these are the multiples of 8. And now we will see 9, 16, 25, and when these are divided by 8, then the output will be 1, because the remainder is 1. Now we will see n ampersand 8 equal to 1, then the output will be, that belongs to f3. By this we completed the f1 row. And now if it is n is in this row, then we will print single side window. And now we will see for the second line, that is s1, s2 and s3, and we will use elif. First n equal to 2 or 7, and the second statement s2 is 10, 18, 26 and so on. When these are divided by 8, the remainder will be 2. So n ampersand 8 equal to 2. Then we will get the function s2. And for s3, 15, 23, when these are divided by 8, then the output will be 7. N ampersand 8 equal to 7. Then these 3 are belongs to second line. And now we will print it as, and here we can see second line is we will take it as assault seats. And now we will print for the third line, that is T1, T2 and T3. We will use elif n equal to 3 or 6. And now we will use for T2, that is 11, 19, 27 and so on. If we divide n by 8, the output will be 3, because the remainder, when we divide by 8 means 3 will be the remainder. And for T3, 14, 22, and when we divide by 8, the output will be 6, because the remainder is 6. So now we will print them as middle seats. And if you want, we can use directly else. Otherwise, we will use elif, because we need to know it is for full. N equal to 4 or 5. And for the second statement, 12, 20, 28, 36 and so on. And these are divisible by 4. We can directly keep 4 because here we checked the n ampersand 8 and n ampersand 8 equal to 1. If these statements are false, then only it will come to here. So we will use n ampersand 4 equal to 0, or n ampersand 4 equal to 1 will be true, and we will print it as third side window. And now we will run the program for this. And okay, we need to save. We need press Ctrl S and run. Here we need to enter seat of any number, that is we'll use 23. And now we'll print assault seat. Now we'll check it. That is assault seat means that is belongs to second row, second line. Okay, here you can see 23 is the assault seat. And now we'll see for the another number, seat of 44, that is third side window. See here 44 is the third side window. Okay, now we'll see for 1000. We don't know where it is, but it will give where, that is single side window will be the 1000 seat. Okay friends, by this we will complete this. Thank you for watching my videos.
I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts, we will discuss about it in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learners Cobb app.